Welcome to our latest video showcasing the enchanting world of tropical garden design. Dive into the lush paradise we've created, complete with a captivating pergola adorned with terracotta roofing, seamlessly blending with the tropical foliage. Immerse yourself in the beauty of nature as we explore the vibrant colors and textures of tropical plants harmonizing with their surroundings. Discover expert tips on how to craft your own tropical oasis, bringing the tranquility of nature into your backyard retreat. In this video, we take you on a visual journey through a meticulously designed tropical garden, where every detail has been thoughtfully curated to create a serene and picturesque environment. The pergola, a central feature, stands majestically with its terracotta roof, offering a rustic charm that perfectly complements the lush greenery around it. Climbing plants weave through the pergola's structure, creating natural shade and a cozy, inviting atmosphere. As we guide you through the garden, you'll be captivated by the riot of colors from exotic flowers like hibiscus, orchids, and bird of paradise, each adding its unique flair to the landscape. The textures of broad-leafed plants, such as banana trees and palms, contrast beautifully with delicate ferns and ground covers, creating a dynamic visual experience that changes with every step. We also share practical advice on selecting and arranging plants to maximize their visual impact and health. Learn how to incorporate water features, like small ponds or trickling streams, to enhance the sensory experience of your garden. Discover the benefits of using natural materials like stone and wood to create pathways and seating areas that blend seamlessly with the environment. Whether you're looking to transform a small backyard or a larger outdoor space, our video provides inspiration and guidance to help you design your perfect tropical haven. We explore the importance of maintaining balance between different plant species to ensure a thriving ecosystem, and how to use lighting effectively to highlight key features and extend the enjoyment of your garden into the evening hours. Join us in this exploration of tropical garden design and see how you can create a harmonious retreat that not only looks stunning, but also provides a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Embrace the tranquility and beauty of nature right in your own backyard.